생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 에나벨 생일 축하합니다. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
아주 좀 씹힌다. 그지?
I feel so lucky. Thank you. It must have spent. This is for making cake.
This is a fine powder, right?
이거 레이어
Thank you. Thank you.
레이어 두 개는. 여기다 시럽을 좀 나중에 해봐. 이거 먹는 거 하면 조금 촉촉하게. 지금도 빵 맛있거든.
The authentic ddukbokki with the eggs and wow, that reminds me of the mandu put in ddukbokki into one of these snack shops. What I'm doing tonight, I'm in my office studying about the moon. Yes, that's right. It's so random, but I just felt like studying about the moon. It's not just recently, it's been a few years that I feel that my body and emotions actually connected to the weather, not exactly the moon, but the weather. And then recently, when we first got in 2020, I saw there are different type of calendars in the market, and this moon phases calendar got my attention, and I just picked up a random calendar and start reading it, and I saw there are different phases of moon, like new moon, full moon, and I started to read about it. But then, very quickly I forgot about all this until recently a very dear friend of mine gave me a book about moon and wellness. Moon and wellness. Yeah. And a lot of things it mentioned make sense to me, and a lot of concepts are still very foreign to me, and that involves some of the religion practices, which it is such an eye-opener. So I've been drawing all these moon phases on my calendar, and I'm trying to do my fasting and also my vegetarian day with the moon phases. My goal is just to get to know more about myself and observe how my body interact with the weather and with the world, with the environment around me. And it is such a subject that I will never feel tired of to get to know myself. So if I see anything interesting, I'm gonna share with you guys. And Saturday is my birthday, and I just found out that it's a full moon. I don't even know what that means, but I'm going to start my experiment as well. Okay. Guys, well, I get my lashes done today, and I'm having dinner with you. 아이요.呢三個包擺埋一齊就有4個字賀年嘅，上吐下瀉。